How to send money to PayPal from your bank account. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now over here, I'm in the dashboard and it will probably look the same for you as it does for me. And over here, I have my PayPal balance. And if I want to add some more, I can simply click on transfer money. Now for me in my country, this is also an option. Instantly add money via Ideal and start shopping right away. Now if there's an option like this, because Ideal is like the method used in my country in order to pay with your bank account to basically anything. So if there's a method like that, then that is probably the best option. But let's say that is not the case, then simply click on transfer money. Now, once you are here, you have money out, so transfer to your bank from your PayPal balance, or money in, add money to your balance, or again, instantly drop top up using Ideal. So if you want to add money to your balance, then you simply want to click on there. Then these 3 steps will pop up. So use a bank that is linked to PayPal. So I already have a bank account linked. Log into your online banking or go to your bank, then follow the bank's instruction for making payment transfer. Be sure to use the details exactly as they appear here. So you want to copy all of this in your bank account and when you want to pay to your PayPal balance. And then it says look for an email. Typically, the transfer takes 1 to 2 business days, depending on your bank. So that is exactly what you want to do. But let's say you want to avoid all of this in general. Then there's something super easy. You just simply want to link a bank to your PayPal account. So once you pay for something, you don't even have to have anything in your PayPal balance. It will just go directly to your bank. So you don't have to add anything to your PayPal balance, which is way easier. So if you want to do that, all you want to do is simply click on link bank over here. And then here you have to choose a bank that is in this list. So if your bank is not here, search for other banks. Then you can search for any bank you would like to. And yeah, then you can connect your bank account. And once again, like I said, anytime you pay for something, it will directly go out of your bank account balance. And you don't even need anything in your PayPal balance. So that is the best option in my opinion. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if this did, and then I'll see you next time.